We've teamed up with MorningSave.com and their lifestyle expert, Anna D'Souza, who's here to share some amazing inside deals at deep discounts. Okay, Anna, first up, tell me about this, the TUCCI Italy Travola 3-piece hard side luggage set.
This luggage set features interior organization with integrated combination locks and an anti-scratch durable shell. This checks all of the boxes.
Okay, what's the deal?
Well, we've seen this set sell for as much as $417, with our price just $119.99. That's 71% off.
Incredible. Okay, next we've got a doorbuster deal. Tell me about this BlendJet 2 portable 16-ounce blender.
This blender serves up big blender power in an easy-to-use portable design. It not only is powerful enough to make smoothie bar quality beverages, it can also whip up delicious dressings and sauces. There is a limit of 3 per customer.
What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $50, with our price just $12, Brooke. That's 76% off.
Nice. Okay, finally, tell me about this Cloth & Gable 6-piece luxe pocket sheet set.
This set features a 16-inch deep pocket fitted sheet for oversized mattresses, and the elastic keeps the sheet securely in place.
What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this set sell for as much as $139 to $149, but our price is just $29.99. That's 80% off.
Fantastic deals today, as always. Thank you so much, Anna. For more information about these deals, scan the QR code below or go to morningsave.com.